I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the Tahoe closest starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome to another video. It's Friday, and hopefully you're enjoying the Friday evening. And thank you again for joining me tonight. I just would like to show you guys what I've been doing all day. If you guys follow me on Instagram and on Facebook, I just posted some photos of the car being cleaned, and basically just want to show you guys what I have here. As I mentioned, the car is top notch. It's cleaned top to bottom, inside and out, as I always do. And this is how clean underneath of the Golf R here, guys. So yeah, it's a long day definitely here, trying to get this cars prepared for the winter. As you know me, I like to store my cars in the winter time. I do have SUVs that I use in the winter time, so I don't really want to drive these cars in the winter. So anyways, guys, this is how it looks like from the bottom after I cleaned it all up. It's nice and shiny, that's for sure. It's still looking good. If you don't drive a car in the winter time, this is basically how it looks like. It's awesome, guys. I just can't imagine how clean this car, you know, for good, that is. And yeah, anyways, basically I didn't tape the whole process of cleaning. If I did, it would have taken me way too long just to detail two cars in one day, and the better half of the day, that is. So anyways, guys, I don't know where I'm going here, guys. I just wanted to basically have this vlog tonight, and a short vlog, and I just want to express how grateful I am for having a lift. And again, guys, if you have the chance to be able to have your own lift at home, it's amazing, guys, and I can't recommend it enough. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I just wanted to make this short, just saying hi and hello to you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend and this Friday evening, and be safe out there. Stay tuned.